Hi, welcome back. So here you can see the rainbow, face and abstract painting of different sizes. Here is the black shadow painting of sparrow on the round wood. On this wall I have 3 rectangular shaped wooden stand and 3 hexagon style black stands. On these stand I have put the metal, motorcycle, cactus plant and the oil ornament. On black stand I have the Eiffel Tower and the Multani plate along with the aeroplane. These decor pieces give a very stylish vibe to your sitting area. We have also inserted this brown pattern wallpaper on one side of wall along with the wooden border. And this is one side table. It includes 3 golden fancy stand along with 2 candle stand and 1 multani vase. At center of the main wall we have inserted this deer painting which looks so aesthetic, and here I will give you the clear view of this golden stand with the golden crystal that looks so adorable. And on metal black candle stand we have inserted 2 red candles. On other side we have created the gallery wall. It has the copper border along with the silver lining. So we have shortlisted some of our wedding pictures along with some Sawat pictures as well. In this showcase I have put my tea set and the dinner set. This rosy color is our dinner set and this blue border is our tea set. The entrance door we have put our fridge, and on the corner we have put our key stand along with the embroidery frame. Top of the door we have inserted our vintage style wall clock and these doll pictures, and on other side of LED I have put some multani plate and other decor pieces. These are more black and white with a little bit of shade. On other side you can see the multani plate along with some vintage collection pieces on which you can see the old sceneries, and this is the bigger one which has a golden border that also look very beautiful. On the other side table we have this crystal lamp, 1 flamingo, boat, 2 silver candle stand, 1 negro statue and white lateral. This is the overall view of the gallery wall. It includes the different sizes of pictures and it also covers the different event of our life, and this is the side view of our sofa set, and that's how our main wall of drawing room look like. You can also see the centerpiece on our center table, that is also absolutely beautiful. Now I will show you the clear view of the center wall. So here is the deer painting that looks so brilliant. Our sofa print has the golden base along with a little bit of blue print, and the cushions are blue again. And we got the centerpiece and the side table cover from the Sawat. If you've seen our Sawat vlog, this is how we have put the 2 side sofas on one side. The gallery wall is on the top, which also enhances the look of the sitting area, and of course gallery wall is uplifting it. This is a clear view of flamingo and the antique boat and this crystal big mug. Its cap has a golden crystal which look absolutely beautiful, and these silver candle stand and white lateral with the stars are also really beautiful. We have arranged the cushion in diamond shape. You can also put them as a square shape as well. So we have also put the little skin and brown pattern carpet at the mid. This is kind of rug. This match with the sofa actually. Hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you in